Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color pretty and colorful lips and makeup tools. Makeup is something used to look bright and shiny, like magic painting for your face. You did amazing. I love drawing. Coloring time. Pink. So pretty. Blue. Green. Yellow. Purple. Orange. Wow, it looks awesome. Looks like a rainbow tool. Let's make it shiny and sparkly. Sprinkle some glitter on the lips and the brush. Pink glitter. Green glitter. Blue glitter. Orange glitter. Yellow glitter. Purple glitter. Wow, so shiny. You are such a great little artist. You can draw anything you imagine. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.